back everyone to Ask Nutritionist Deepa's quick, easy, flavorful recipe videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make Baingan Bharta. It is a roasted eggplant dish and the ingredients are very simple. Large eggplant, chopped tomatoes, chopped scallions, ginger garlic and some green chilies or cayenne. Now if you don't have green onions or scallions, then feel free to use any onion, yellow, red or white onion. I'm going to use some basic spices like mustard and turmeric from my spice box and get started. So the first step in this dish is to roast this eggplant. Eggplant is an interesting vegetable. It is very low calorie and nutrient dense, but the nutrient density of eggplant lies in the skin of this eggplant. It's all purple in color, which means that it is high in the purple color antioxidant called anthocyanins. So it's going to be good for us. It is an antioxidant, and most of the time people peel the eggplant and get rid of it, but we are not going to do it that way. I'm going to roast this eggplant at 425 degrees for like 10 to 12 minutes. So you can roast the eggplant and actually freeze it. I had roasted it a couple days ago and I had frozen it. Now you want to make sure when you roast the eggplant, you are not burning it, because we are going to mince it with the skin on. As I said, all the nutrients of the eggplant is predominantly in the skin. That's where all the antioxidants and polyphenols are hiding. So you want to make sure you are using the skin, and this is called as eggplant oil. It looks like oil, even though it's not oil, but it's going to add some shine to the dish. Do not throw it away, please use it. So let's get started with cooking. The trick to oil-free cooking is to make sure the pot is, or the pan or the skillet is heated enough and at right temperature. I just added, as you can see, once you add a drop of water, it turns into that mercury ball. That's when we know the skillet is ready. I'm going to crackle some of the mustard seeds. To that I'm going to add the green chilies. You want to make sure that every spice you add is exposed to a little bit of heat, because that's how we are going to extract the spicy flavor out of it. And we'll start by stir frying the tomatoes. Now, if you feel that the tomatoes are sticking to the bottom of the skillet, just sprinkle a little bit of broth and get all the trimmings from the caramelized tomatoes back into the dish. Continue frying the tomatoes. Now it's time to add a little bit of turmeric. Add it on the side. Like I said, expose it to the heat. The health benefits of turmeric are tremendous: antibacterial, anti-cancer, antifungal, anti-inflammatory. Just taking the tablets won't do it. You have to add it. You have to take it through your food. The green onions, I'm going to add it a little bit later, because I want to maintain not only the nutrition but also the color of green onions. So we'll continue to stir fry it for another minute. I forgot to add the ginger and garlic. I have added that now. You may have seen my video on how I make my ginger garlic cubes. Make sure you watch that, because having these small tiny ingredients ready, such as ginger garlic cube or roasted eggplant which has been frozen, even my green chilies were frozen, is going to make your meal planning extremely simplified and less time consuming. This is all about making sure that making good food is not tedious to keep us healthy and happy. So these are some meal planning tips which are crucial when you are trying to cook and eat at home and eat healthy. It's time to add the green onions or scallions. Now if you are using red, white or yellow onion, then you might want to stir fry it along with tomatoes. The reason that I putting scallions little later because I don't want to overcook the scallions as well as maintain its nutrition, which is again vitamin A and a little bit of calcium and even vitamin C that is found in scallion. Look how beautiful this looks. Once the scallions are stir fried for a couple minutes, I'm going to add the minced eggplant. It is finely minced with the skin on for very simple reason of not only making sure you get all the flavor, the smoky flavor after you roast or bake the eggplant is all captured in the skin of the eggplant, not to mention the antioxidants and polyphenols that are found in the skin, in the purple skin of the eggplant. So it's extremely important that we make this dish with the skin on, or rather you do not remove the skin of the eggplant and use it in your recipe. You can sprinkle some salt if you want, but otherwise just keep stir frying and cooking until it is heated through. It may take up to 2 to 3 minutes. There's no need to overcook it because there's really not much to cook. Eggplant is very well done during the baking process. To expedite the cooking, you can also cook it covered for a couple minutes. The eggplant bharta is ready. It is looking absolutely delicious. I just tried some and it has that little bit of spiciness and from the chilies and smokiness from roasting or baking the eggplant and using it with the skin on, and it is just a perfect dish. And like I said, if you bake your eggplant and freeze it, if you have your garlic ginger cubes ready, this dish can be done in less than 10 minutes. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. Make sure to send your comments to me or comment on the recipe, and please share and subscribe. Talk to you soon. Take care.